Since I finished up my last class for my master's in marketing, I finally got around to working on this area that I started a while back. But what I just did was I dug out 2 wheelbarrows full of the grass and weeds and stuff from the section, and now I'm going to dump this in and start filling this up. Well, that's 2 wheelbarrows full. I'm just going to level that out. Probably need another one, and then I'll cover it with mulch. So I took 2 wheelbarrows out and had to replace it with 2, and then I'll fill this with mulch, and then I'll tackle that side. Okay, that's 1 wheelbarrow of mulch. I'll probably need 2 more. Second wheelbarrow ready to roll. And the second wheelbarrow was dumped. And of course, Maui's sitting on the edge. Right, Mau? Oops. He's so dirty. This is why my feet are always a mess. Look at this. Fire ants. They're horrible. I've decided I'm going to extend this bed, clean up this area by the agaves, and then because I love those peach drift roses so much, and I bought an extra set for the far right side over there by Maui, that I need 3s. So I'm going to plant 3 more right over here, but I need to dig out the area right where Maui's sitting, of course, and extend this bed out, and then I might even extend it a little bit more over there towards the roses. It's kind of got a weird curve, but yeah, so I want to kind of adjust that. And this, so I dug this out, but that's a beginning of another agave. It's the roots, and it's how it propagates and sends out its pup. So if I leave it in the ground, did I cut a piece there? Yeah, look, it's growing out that way too. That's why, oh yeah, look, see, they're growing in the middle of the grass there, and there's another one right over here, and that's how it does it. It sends out shoots, those big white roots. Anyway, this is what I'm working on now, but this was so messy, and I actually really hate working around agave because it hurts so bad. It really, these are pretty sharp points that definitely puncture and draw blood. This is definitely the time of year to collect seeds. You can see here, this is a firebush, and it's making seeds from the previous blooms, as flowers do. Look at all these. I can grab these and make new plants out of them, and I think I will, because I really love this bush. I just have to protect it in the wintertime, otherwise it has to grow from scratch again. But this one's a dwarf, so it's not going to get really tall anyway, but it's absolutely beautiful, and the butterflies adore it. Wow, look at all these in my shirt. There are tons of them. My fingers are stained purple now. All right, looking good. Oh man, I am stepping in a damn ant pile again. And we have Amdro on it or something, and apparently it doesn't work. But yeah, here it is, and it looks spectacular. I can't wait to plant it up, mulch it up, plant it up, and let it be part of this fabulous bed that just a year and a half ago was only this nasty weeds. I was going to say grass, but grass and weeds. It's really just weeds. Let's see. And last time we tilled the soil, so the seeds went back in, and it's been pretty tough. It's not been fun trying to keep up with the weeds. So I'm hoping this soil that I have isn't weedy or seedy, and I don't have to worry about that. Crossing fingers.